When it comes to improving your Smithtown home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance, few upgrades make as big an impact as new window installation. However, many homeowners overlook one critical factor in ensuring the success of this investment: the timing and technique of installation. Even the best, most energy-efficient windows can underperform if they're installed at the wrong time of year or by inexperienced hands. For Smithtown homeowners, understanding when and how to approach window installation can make all the difference between lasting comfort and costly issues down the line. Why the right timing makes a difference. Timing your window installation can significantly affect both the project's efficiency and your home's overall comfort. In Smithtown, where the seasons bring everything from humid summers to chilly winters, choosing the right window installation period helps ensure a smooth, hassle-free process. Spring and fall are often considered the best times for installation. The mild temperatures and stable weather conditions make it easier to remove and replace windows without exposing your home to extreme elements. Installers can work more efficiently, and sealants cure properly without the interference of excessive heat, cold, or humidity. That said, professional installers in Smithtown are well equipped to handle window replacement year-round. If your current windows are causing air leaks, drafts, or high energy bills, waiting until perfect weather may not be the best choice. With the right tools, materials, and techniques, experts can perform high-quality installations in any season, while taking steps to protect your home during the process. The importance of professional technique. While timing matters, technique is what ensures long-term performance. Window installation is more than simply placing a new frame into an existing opening. It requires precision, skill, and an understanding of how materials interact with the structure of your home. Here's why expert technique is essential for Smithtown homeowners. Proper alignment and leveling. Windows must be perfectly aligned and leveled to operate smoothly. A misaligned window can lead to air leaks, sticking, and uneven wear on hardware. Effective insulation and sealing. Gaps or poorly applied sealant around the frame can let in moisture and outside air. Professional installers use high-quality insulating foam and weatherproof caulking to ensure airtight, watertight protection. Moisture management. Smithtown's coastal climate makes moisture control critical. Skilled installers use flashing and drip caps to prevent water from entering wall cavities, safeguarding your home against rot and mold. Structural integrity. Expert installers assess the condition of surrounding materials and make necessary repairs before setting the new window, ensuring stability and longevity. A window installation done right the first time not only enhances your home's energy efficiency but also protects your investment for decades. The risks of poor timing or installation. When window installation is rushed or handled by untrained contractors, problems can surface almost immediately. Poorly installed windows can cause drafts, condensation buildup, water leaks, and even structural damage. Likewise, installing during extreme weather without proper preparation can compromise the materials used. For example, caulking applied during freezing temperatures may not bond correctly, and excessive heat can cause expansion and warping. These small missteps can add up to big expenses later on, from higher energy bills to costly repairs. That's why partnering with local Smithtown professionals who understand both the region's climate and the intricacies of window installation is essential. Combining efficiency, expertise, and local knowledge. Professional installers familiar with Smithtown's weather patterns and housing styles bring a level of craftsmanship that ensures long-lasting results. They know how to adjust for seasonal conditions, use appropriate materials, and optimize installation techniques for maximum efficiency. Beyond technical know-how, they also help homeowners choose the right window style and glass type to suit both the local climate and their personal design preferences, whether it's energy-efficient double-pane windows, impact-resistant glass, or custom vinyl frames. By combining proper timing with expert installation techniques, Smithtown homeowners can enjoy improved energy efficiency and comfort year-round, reduced maintenance and repair needs, enhanced curb appeal and property value, long-term peace of mind knowing their windows are built to last. Final thoughts for Smithtown homeowners. Window installation is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a vital step toward better comfort, safety, and efficiency. By focusing on the right timing and professional technique, you can ensure your windows perform at their best in every season. With skilled local installers who understand Smithtown's unique environment, you'll enjoy beautifully fitted, energy-efficient windows that keep your home bright, quiet, and comfortable for years to come.